Paraphernalia of land, that from our western shores those beautiful sailors journeyed to the south and the North Americas with ease, in their ships with painted sail. To the east, Africa, across a short strait of sea mile. The great Egyptian age is but a remnant of the Atlantean culture. All the gods who play in the mythological dramas, in all legends, from all lands, we're from fair Atlantis. The antediluvian kings colonized the world. Knowing her fate, Atlantis sent out ships to all corners of the earth. On board were the 12, the farmer, the physician, the scientist, the magician, and the other so-called gods of our legends. Though gods they were, and as the elders of our time choose to remain blind, let us sing, let us dance, and ring in the new age. And hail Atlantis!